Modere, Social Retail 2.0, how is it going to revolutionize the way network marketing is done? And what are some of the enhancements that just came out with Modere's social retail model? That's what we're going to be talking about in today's video. And hey, if we're just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds, and I help women bring a business online. So make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss out. All right, so Modere just launched what we call Social Retail 2.0, and it is to really tap into the social retail model, the social selling model that's going online, and that is so much a part of the new way of doing business. And what they had before is they had their social retail model where you give 10, get 10, which has been absolutely amazing. It's how Modere has set itself up to be different than your traditional network marketing company, because in your traditional network marketing company, what happens is you try to bring in as many distributors as you can so that they can actually get a discount on their products. But Modere decided to do things a little bit differently because we actually do want to have a customer group of people. So over 85% of the orders that come into Modere are actual customers. And 40% of those customers share the products with their friends and family without being what we call a social marketer or distributor of the company. And so this social retail model was you give 10, you get 10. You give 10 to somebody, if somebody orders and they order with your referral link as a customer, then they get $10 off their first order and you get a $10 credit. And it's been going very well for Modere because actually the social selling model is growing leaps and bounds. And if you want to take a listen to this statistic, it's mind-boggling. So in 2020, there was $560 billion through social selling. Social selling is through people building a brand, selling products online through TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, you name it, through social media outlets. By 2026, that is estimated to be $2.9 trillion. So if you think that this is a great time to get started in Modere's social selling model, you're absolutely right. And what I am going to do is I'm going to link for you down below a way to contact me over on my Facebook page to learn more about Modere's social selling, to learn more about how you can use your brand, your opportunities, through your social media outlets to help you build a income with Modere. All right. So what is this new 2.2 that has been brought on? The new 2.2 is a little bit different. So we have what we call our subscribe and save that has just come out. And what that is when you order and you put your orders on a subscribe and save plan, you are going to get 3 codes in addition to your $10 codes where you can share with your friends and family to get $20 off their first order. And when they use that code, you automatically get $20 back as well. So you can get up to $60 up to $60 back on your next order. Now, the other bonus that Modere has rolled out with our subscribe and save is that you can alter it, you can change it, cancel it at any time, but on your second order that gets processed, you are going to have a $20 credit as well. So in theory, if you share your 3 $20 codes and then your next order, you could have over $60 off on your next second smart ship and save order. Now on the third month, this is where it gets really exciting, is then you start to double down on the smart ship and save discount. So you go from anywhere from 10 to 30% discount on all of your products that you order. And so what ends up happening is customers are then sharing their codes because they want to share it with their friends and family because the products are so amazing. And I'm going to link over here Modere's trim so you can check out Modere's flagship product as well to see what are some of the things that people are sharing. I'm going to link that right over here for you to check out as well. And if you're thinking like, oh my gosh, this is something that I want to do, definitely make sure you send me a message over on Facebook. I can share a little bit more about the nuances of Social Retail 2.0. But what I can tell you is it has set itself apart from the traditional network marketing company because we have customers, we have referral codes now that don't just give you get 10, give 10. It's now give 20, get 20. And people love a good discount and they love to share products that they love and that they stand behind. So now it's a give 20, get 20 for 3 people. and lots of money back on your next orders so that you can really see the true benefits of Modere's products, right? And if you want to check out Modere's comp plan to learn a little bit more about the nuances, I'm going to link it right over here for you as well, so you can check out a little bit about the double-sided comp plan, how you can build a reoccurring income online without having to build a team, which is also very different than your traditional network marketing company. And what I love about Modere is that we actually teach you how to use social media to do the social selling, right? Which is where all of the, all of the sales are coming from, and the 2.9 trillion by 2026. So if you've thought about a side business, if you've thought about maybe you need like an additional income stream, let's talk more. And I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to link for you in the description of this video, a way for you to contact me over on Facebook, so you can learn more about Modere's Social Retail 2.0 and Modere's social selling. And hey, this is Julie Reynolds for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.